What's up, you guys? We're getting into our third night school of the year. I'm super excited. We're covering all things advanced studio lighting. Come along with us as we talk about gels, V-flags, strobes, all the things to really make up a great shot and how to really get in control of your lighting so that way you can start perfecting your photos. Let's go. Today, we're gonna be talking about the intro to studio lighting, and then we're gonna take it one step further and go over the more advanced concepts on really how to get more creative with your lighting.
Hi, my name is Simone Walls. I'm the director of the Kirk Foundation, and I'm here tonight supporting Night School, one of our premier programs. It's incredible to come out each month and see so many creatives out here learning, growing, networking, and perfecting their crafts. We want to give a special thank you to tonight's food sponsor, Guac and Margie's, for bringing some amazing food for all of our students to enjoy. You can continue to support us by booking studio time, purchasing merch or camera accessories, or going online and making a donation at kimkirkfoundation.org.
That's a wrap, y'all.